hope you already know what time it is. We're going back to
The beach?
beach.
Right. Guys, we just made it to the ocean. Yeah, it started. It's not the worst thing, but it's kind of cold for me. And I'm really short, like look at that. So it's worse for me. Oh, great heavens. Oh, great heavens. This is cold. This is really cold, guys. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe on the video because it's really cold. And I'm gonna have to go in like a sauna or something because it's really hot. I don't even know what that is. I just hear people say it all the time. I don't know what it is. That's out of my vocabulary. I'm not smart. Why is Jake so tall? Like, why is Jake so tall? Like, that's crazy. Is there like a step up here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. I feel that. I'm getting taller. God. Jake's jumping over waves. Here. I already said everything I need to say, so.
It's definitely not as bad as it was yesterday. It's not as bad as it was yesterday.
Like yesterday. Stop.
It's actually a lot more sunnier than it was yesterday.
It's hard. It's kind of hard. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sit down now.
Sit down.
Oh, bomba-clad.
I'm gonna sit down now. It can't really be that. Oh, that's a decent looking wave. Wait for that one to go by. Alright. I'm in. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o! I'm not even supposed to be out with my glasses on. That was it knocked him over. It's getting a little rough now, as you can see from the little, come on. It's rough now. Uh-oh. Alright, you take this. I'm gonna go put my glasses up.
I got you. Here goes Jake. Alright. There is so much sand in my pants. So bad. Woo. What about me?
I think that's gonna be a cool shot now. Alex just dropped the camera. Who knows what it was like under the water? Holy crap. Alex has never touched this camera again. No. I got a bunch again.
Hey,
Alex, what was happening whenever you dropped the camera?
I'd rather not.
Did like a wave hit you or something? What happened?
No, I was just like, wait, Jake. I accidentally dropped it. Because look at these butterfingers.
Okay, then what was going through your head whenever you dropped it? This is an interview of Alex.
I don't like this.
What was going through your head?
A lot.
Like what?
A lot.
Like what?
A lot.
Like what?
Like you slapping me with the belt. If that's what you would do. You're stupid. You need
I
help.
mean, this is a very expensive camera, but I'm surprised we got it on camera, so. Oh, well, we'll take it, I guess. Now what are we gonna do? The fire alarm just went off. It's like 7 something right now. Fire alarm just went off. There's, I thought that was a fire truck. That was a U-Haul van. Whoops. There's some. Ooh! What did we just catch? Yeah, I told you the fire department was gonna come, Alex. Look, they're turning in here. What is happening?
People.
I don't know. That might be a police siren too. Let's go. Another one. Look.
Is that the one we parked in?
No. We parked in the one closest to here.
Yeah, we parked now. Boss,
Yeah, they just pulled in there where that car is going right now.
y'all stupid.
I have no idea if you can hear it right now, but it's pretty loud. That's crazy. What a way to end the freaking video off.
Big bruh.
There's another one holding up traffic too. That's as we're going inside our apartment right now. It's pretty crazy. Well, I just got out of the shower. There's Alex. That's gonna be. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Hey, maybe next time Alex won't drop the camera in the pool or the ocean, and maybe somebody won't pull the fire alarm. Don't pull fire alarms. Don't drop a camera in the ocean. Subscribe. Check back tomorrow for the next video.
Be smart about don't pull the fire alarms. Use your knife.
And dropping cameras.